Relocating to Germany marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter in your life. Whether you are drawn to its rich cultural heritage or its breathtaking scenic beauty, Germany offers an inclusive society that welcomes everyone with open arms. Whether it's for a new job, educational opportunities, or a fresh start, this journey can feel overwhelming. At Baxter Shipping, we specialize in making this move as seamless as possible, providing you with tailored relocation services to guide you every step of the way. With professional packing, secure storage, and full support upon arrival, we handle every detail so you can focus on embracing your new beginning. We've got you covered with flexible and cost-efficient options. Whether by air or sea, we ensure your cherished items arrive on time and intact. From the moment you arrive in Germany, our local support team is there to assist you in settling into your new environment, offering help with accommodation, orientation, and essential services. Your journey with us doesn't end at delivery. We ensure everything goes smoothly with follow-up checks, making sure your satisfaction is our top priority. Baxter Shipping, your partner in making every relocation a smooth and exciting new beginning.